Sometimes I deliver keynote addresses for school districts. Other times I'm sharing in a short mini workshop creative ideas that you can use in the classroom to promote literacy. But I am most intrigued with what folklorists refer to as ladder to the moon. Stories of a personal narrative, just things that happen every day and are of interest to others. Stories of history. Stories of folklore, the Brer Rabbits and Brother Foxes and Paul Bunyans of a culture. Stories of legend. Stories of the people and figures that have grown larger than life in our imagination. And then finally, the stories of great myth and epic, those great stories that endeavor to answer the questions, who are we? Where did we come from? Why are we here? Where are we going? All of these stories exist in every culture, and they can be used in a variety of ways, applied to specific circumstances to create strong, cohesive community in the educational environment.